Alright, you here with Chunk's Fix. This Chunk, we got Parker up underneath F1 Twisted pulling out, he's getting a converter bolt. Well, he just pulled the starter drop so that we can take the converter bolts off. So we are pulling this out. I got to pull this trans cooler off, and we'll get right back to you. Now this is the transmission cooler we're using. This is a Caltrac. I don't know. It came from SRI in Mooresville, North Carolina, and now we didn't buy it with that in there. We did that, but it's not leaking, so we're leaving it. I'm gonna pull this off. We're gonna clean this out, clean the lines out. And we got Parker taking the converter bolts out. Fluid drain. Oh, we're gonna slide this drive shaft up real quick. Gonna all your drive shaft and Winston-Salem. And we're gonna throw up to 1,000. That's the one they built me. Caltrac symbol right there, probably. Boom. Set up on it. Thumbs down. There you go. It's a leaf thing. Right. Now once you have the U-bolts out, I'm just gonna bump it, if you see. Makes it loose. Now I'm gonna hold the universal joints. I'm gonna slide the transmission, the shaft into the trans.
In that other video, let me see. When you got a cotter pin, use TIG wire for the wind.
He's drained the transmission out, so hopefully this back tail housing doesn't have too much in it. It shouldn't. So there's that. That's all. You want to be careful. Make sure you keep these two I'm gonna take them up. I'm gonna keep this so you don't drop any needle bands out of it.